Can I be honest with you? I am bad news. I'm not your friend. I'm not going to help you. I'm going to break you. Any questions?
I want to make something absolutely clear. If you thought there was some working group coming to the rescue, well, I want you to know that you're wrong. This is it. There's nobody else hidden away on some other floor. There is just us. And we are failing.
You really believe this story? Osama bin Ladna?
Yeah.
What part convinced you?
Her confidence.
If you're right, the whole world's gonna win in on this.
We will never find him. He is one of the disappeared ones.